Now, I just finished building my monster storage for all my fabrics that will be hanging. Okay, so I will tell you what I did here. The lumber I used is 2 by 8. So it's 2 inches thick, 8 inches deep, right? Because I had to make it deep enough to be able to hang my fabrics and they're not hanging out past the board, right? I chose to use rough sawn hemlock. Rough sawn means that it is not dressed, right? And so, yeah, I chose rough sawn hemlock for 2 reasons. One being the price, and the next being it is a true 2 inches. And I wanted to make sure that the vertical members were stiff, right? They're rigid, so they're not, they're rigid. So they are not going to be like bending or flopping back and forth. And so I chose 2 by 8 rough sawn hemlock. I did sand it down a bit and I think it's pretty good. Now I have used rough sawn hemlock in a few applications, one being my laundry room just behind this wall, the flooring. I use rough sawn hemlock on and I have no issues with it, right? I also use rough sawn hemlock to build most of my greenhouse and the flooring is all rough sawn hemlock. As I said, sanded it. I painted the pieces and then actually I cut them to size first. I decided how high I wanted it to be and how wide I wanted it to be. And it couldn't be wider than this because there is an incline on the ceiling over this side. So I could only get it this high, which is pretty high, but high enough so that I can still reach, right, with my long arms. I decided on the width and the height first, then my hubby cut the pieces for me and I sanded, painted, and then assembled the whole thing. The horizontal members are glued and screwed. Here I did a countersink so that the screws could go in because I didn't have way long screws, right, for this area here. So I did some countersinking at the top too, and I put like 4 screws in each section just to make sure that it's held in place nicely. And yeah, I am pretty pleased. I have 4 bars. So can you imagine the fabrics, guys? I am feeling so good with what I've been able to do so far. And I am looking forward to putting the whole space together, right? I have my deadline was the end of November. We know that has passed and I'm not in yet. So yeah, we have to chuck that out the window and just keep moving as best as I can to get in before Christmas, right? And so yeah, thank you guys so much again for being here. This idea here, you could use wherever you want to hang anything. You don't have to use monstrous lumber like I have done here, but the whole design layout you could use, for example, in a laundry room or even in a mud room if you want to put lots of bars where you can hang things. Yeah, so thanks again guys for being here. Thanks for your support on the channel. If this video was helpful to you, if you enjoyed it, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe. Remember to turn on your bell notification so you will be notified of new videos. Like, and of course, share. Also, leave a comment. Thank you so much again for being here. You take care now. I will see you again soon. Love you guys.